welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making part 2 of making paper squishy fake paper squishy orders. No one commented on my last video, so again from my ideas. And yeah, I'm really low on subscribers right now, so please like and subscribe. Okay, so here we got our box. As I said, not everything is gonna be paper squishy. Perfect. Okay, so first, I have some quite decent paper squishies here. So first off, they wanted a Labubu wine box macron. Here it is. It has 4 Labubus in here, because I was too lazy to make 3 other boxes. So let's put it inside like this. Next off, they wanted 3 Sanrio squares of my choice. So first off, I'm gonna give her my Melody. Put it in Kuromi. Last but not least, Hello Kitty. And also they wanted the cutest pen that I have, so I'm gonna give them this limited edition pen. I hate Barbie. I only found the one that had Barbie. So yeah, the colors they have: blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, purple, and brown. And if you get a color like this, you have to press on this part to get it back in. Let's put it inside. And they also wanted Buldak ramen. So here it is. Cheese flavor. Please guys, comment down below what paper squishes you would like me to put in an order. Remember guys, it's fake. Okay, now also they wanted something sweet, and they said Nutella. They wanted also boba tea, so I'm gonna give them the limited edition Labubu boba tea. Oh yeah, and also the Labubus, they have the same boba tea as this, but it's tiny, like this size. And they also wanted marshmallows. And they wanted Kuromi brand chips. They wanted Dubai chocolate, my latest squishy. Here it is. It's kind of bad. Okay, put it in. And last but not, it's not last but not least. They wanted a Kuromi squishy that's all Kuromi. Now, last but not least, they wanted a Kuromi notebook. And let's just review the order. First, we have the Kuromi paper squishy, Kuromi notebook, Kuromi chips. Why do I have so many Kuromis? And Dubai chocolate. I hate it. Marshmallows. Puffy crisps. Labubu. Buldak ramen. Labubu boba tea. Nutella. My Melody square. Hello Kitty square. And last but not least, Kuromi square. And last but not least, the pen. says here love. And I'm gonna give them something this week. That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, and comment down below you guys' orders. That's it for today, guys. I love you guys. Bye. I have a lot of paper squishes, so yeah, I might have and I'm gonna make one now. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I've done this for like third time, but like, I love you guys. Bye.